Hello, my dear students. Today, in your English class, we will be learning the topic formation of adjectives. In this video, you will be able to learn to form the describing words from nouns, verbs, and other adjective words. So, let us begin with our class. Now, students, you all know what is an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. An adjective may come before or after the noun it describes. In simpler words, adjectives are also known as describing words. It describes a noun or a pronoun. And you all know that noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or things. And pronouns are used to replace the noun so as to avoid the repetition and to improve the writing skills. Adjectives or describing words are formed by adding suffixes to the noun, verb, and other adjectives. So, the formation of adjective can be done with the help of a word, adding a suffix to it, and it will become adjective. Now, the word suffix means a suitable ending given to the word. Let us look at the few examples of suffixes. Examples of suffixes are able, an, full, aus, ous, all, enn, less, less, some, some, ual, all, ary, ish, and y. And there are many more suffixes which can be added at the end of the word, and a new word can be formed. Now let us have a look at all the suffixes which were told to you in the previous video. What does the suffix mean and how we can add it to a word and make an adjective. So the suffix able means able to or capable of being. If we add the suffix to the word reason, it becomes reasonable. It means able to reason or capable of being reasonable. If a suffix is added to the word break, it means breakable. It means able to break. Read, readable. It is able to read. The book is readable. It means it is capable of reading. Enjoy, enjoyable, able to enjoy it. The game is enjoyable. It means that a person whosoever is playing the game, he is able to enjoy that particular game. So you have seen how after adding a suffix to a word, the word can be a noun, verb, or any other adjective. If we add a suffix to it, the new word gives us a new meaning to the word. If we add a suffix al to any of the word, then the word suffix al means of or relating to or connected with. Now if we add the suffix to the word music, the word becomes musical. It means it is connected with music or it is related to music. Comic becomes comical, classic becomes classical, coast becomes coastal. The suffix ual means relating to or related to. So the word fact becomes factual and it means that it is related to facts. Spirit becomes spiritual. When something is related to spirit, it becomes spiritual. Intellect becomes intellectual and habit becomes habitual. The suffix an means belonging to or relating to. So Elizabeth becomes Elizabethan. It means that it is related to Elizabeth or it belongs to Elizabeth. Europe becomes European. The people are related to Europe. Hawaii, Hawaiian. Superb, suburb, suburban. And in the same way, you all are students of Notre Dame. So, how it can be translated into adjectives with the word ending an? It will become that you all are Notre Dameans. It shows that these are the students of Notre Dame school. So, it will become Notre Dameans. The suffix en means made of. So the word gold becomes golden. It means it is made of gold. Golden bangles. Bangles are made of gold. Wood, wooden. Wooden chair. A chair is made of wood. Earth, earthen. Silk, silken. The suffix ary means relating to. The word legend becomes legendary. It means that it is related to legends. Complement, complementary. Custom becomes customary and mission becomes missionary. The suffix ful means notable for or full of. So the word thank becomes thankful. It means that it is full of thanks. Harm becomes harmful. It is full of danger. So the word is harmful. Help, helpful. Care becomes careful. So students, there are no specific rules of forming the words. It is just your quick wittedness that which word you can use at the end of a particular word to make it a new word and form an adjective with a given noun or verb or any other adjective. So you have to learn few meanings of the suffixes so that you can add those suffixes to the end of the word to make a correct adjective word. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you and have a nice day.